Hey man, you know how we've been talking about starting that business? Well, I want to tell you something most people mess up, the business plan. I used to think it had to be this super long, complicated thing full of charts and boring words. But the truth is, it doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to be clear. Like, you just need to write down what you're doing, why you're doing it, who it's for, and how you're going to make money. Start with your idea, problem, and solution. Okay, here's where we start. First, what's your business idea? Just write one clear sentence. Don't overthink it. Like, I make custom t-shirts for gamers. Boom, that's your idea. Then ask yourself, what's the problem you're solving? Maybe gamers can't find cool shirts that match their vibe, or they're sick of the same old designs. That's a real problem. And now comes your solution. This is where you explain how your business fixes that problem. Maybe you design shirts with artwork inspired by trending games or memes. It doesn't need to sound super fancy. It just needs to make sense. On the whiteboard, you could draw 3 boxes: idea, problem, and solution, with arrows connecting them. That's how your business works. And dude, don't try to be everything to everybody. Just focus on one problem, one cool solution. That's what real businesses do. They help people in a simple, clear way. If you nail this part, the rest of your business plan is gonna be easy. Trust me, this is the heart of everything. Who buys, how you earn, and how they'll find you. Now think about this. Who are you actually selling to? Like, who's gonna pull out their wallet and say, I need this? Don't say everyone, cause that never works. Be specific, like 18 to 30-year-old gamers who follow Twitch and buy merch online. That's your people. Next, how will you make money? Are you selling through your own website? Using Etsy? Taking pre-orders? Write it down. Example, $25 per shirt, sold online, made to order. You don't need a full business degree to explain this part. Just show how money comes in. Now, how are those people going to find you? This is your marketing plan. Maybe it's TikTok videos, Instagram reels, shoutouts from gaming influencers, or even handing out flyers at gaming events. You can draw it like a flow. Customer sees your post, clicks link, makes a purchase. Simple. This section is super important because even if you have the best idea, no one's buying if they can't find you. So be real, be specific, and keep it simple. You're just showing how the money moves. And that's it, bro. That's your full business plan. Just 6 parts. Your idea, the problem, your solution, who you're selling to, how you'll earn, and how you'll get customers. It fits on one page. You could even draw it on your bedroom wall if you wanted to.